When you look up Solana right now on YouTube, you will find almost 20 price predictions at first before you will find out what the Solana blockchain is really about. And I have to be honest in saying that one of those price predictions is probably mine. So in this video though, I wanted to do something a little bit different. In this video, I will explain to you in my best ability what the Solana blockchain and token are really about. I do have to add the disclaimer with that I am not a developer or software engineer. So the most technical parts will be explained in very simple words and again, in my best ability. Alright, so before we start with the actual video, I first wanted to tell you the structure of this video. Maybe there are some parts you would find more interesting than other parts and you can just skip to that part, for example the tokenomics. And that's why I just wanted to lay out the structure first real quick. So we're first going to be talking about what is Solana. Very simple, just what the blockchain is about. After that, we're going to talk about what makes Solana good. So what specific parts of Solana are better than other blockchains and what technological innovations are better than other blockchains. After that, we're going to be shortly talking about the programming language used in Solana and its pros and cons. And lastly, we're going to be talking about the Solana tokenomics, which are quite interesting and important too. So let us start with the question, what is Solana? Solana is an open source project using a new, high performance and permissionless blockchain. This blockchain is one of, if not the fastest blockchain in terms of transaction speeds and block time. And on top of this blockchain, developers can build all kinds of decentralized apps. And Solana itself was founded in 2017 by Anatoly Yakovenko, and it went to the mainnet in March of 2020. So it's actually quite new to the mainnet. And currently Solana is even still in its beta. Solana uses a special type of consensus system, which is called proof of history. And here every block is given a unique count and hash, but the special thing is that it gives a count and hash together with a timestamp, which allows nodes to put all blocks into the right order. And this especially significantly increases the speed. And to be honest, the proof of history mechanism is quite difficult. So down in the description, I will leave a link with an article where they describe it into more detail, but it's technologically quite difficult to understand. And that's why I just wanted to state it in simple words. So what puts Solana above other cryptocurrencies are several things, and all of them technological innovations that significantly improve Solana's blockchain. In the link down in the description, which I just talked about, I will again leave the article in which all of these innovations are also talked about, but since I'm not an expert on programming, I will discuss the two most important ones, in my opinion at least, the two most important ones. So first of all, as already discussed shortly, is that Solana is incredibly fast. It can currently have a speed of 50,000 transactions per second and a block time of 400 milliseconds. Whereas, to give you an example, Ripple has a speed of 1500 transactions per second, which is already considered as quick in the whole cryptosphere. Decentralized app builders can use their transaction speed in their apps, but they also profit off of the use of the C-level technology, which is another technological innovation. This innovation allows thousands of decentralized apps to work concurrently, so next to each other, with all of the transactions that go through these apps moving simultaneously. So this brings the ability for easy scaling, which is necessary for growth. After that, it is also really important to talk about the programming language used for the Solana blockchain, because that is both a blessing and a curse. The programming language used is Rust, which is one of the easiest programming languages. So that is the blessing of using this specific language. But the negative side of this is that already made apps cannot be copy-pasted onto the Solana blockchain because other programming languages differ too much from Rust. So decentralized app developers need to full code a new app if they want it to work on the Solana blockchain. And now lastly, let's talk a little bit about the SOL token, which is the native token for the Solana blockchain. The SOL token is used as a gas fee, but also for other operations of decentralized apps on the Solana blockchain. So this token is both inflationary and deflationary, because SOL can be gained while staking, so then it's inflationary, but it is also partly burned for every transaction, which used to be 100%, and now I believe it's 50% per gas fee. And there are in total 489 million SOL tokens, which will be brought into circulation, of which now more than 300 million are already in circulation. But this is always updated on CoinMarketCap, so it might have changed when you were watching this video. Of this, almost 30% has gone to investors in the seed and founding rounds. The team has 13%, the foundation has 10%, and the community comprises of a little less than 40%. I believe it is 39%, where the rest of the tokens are spread across validator and strategic sales. The market cap as of now is 64 billion, and the price as of now is $212 per SOL. And with that, we have reached the end of this video. In this video, I wanted to tell you as much as I possibly could about the technological things behind the Solana blockchain, but also some more about the SOL token, which of course is very trending lately. As of now, Solana is the 6th biggest cryptocurrency, and I think therefore it is very important to know a little bit at least about the blockchain and, as I said, the technological side of the coin. So I hope to have educated you a little bit on that in this video. If you have any comments or any questions, please let me know down in the comments, and I will make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. As for now, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.